My top tip for transforming presentations is, sorry to say it sounds a bit cliched, but preparation. You cannot skip that, and ultimately what we're looking for to transform any presentation is energy and authenticity, and you just don't get that without the prep.
My top tip for transforming presentations is to start well and end well. It's very, very rare to hear a presentation where the core message and the core takeaway is right there at the front and repeated right at the end. But if you do that, you've got a lot greater chance of people remembering what you've said.
My top tip for transforming presentations is to focus on the audience. What matters to them, what excites them, what interests them, what frightens them. Concentrate on that, and then you'll be dealing with an audience-centric presentation that will actually get the results that you want.